Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove view only setting in Google Sheets mobile. Alright guys, let's get started. Here I have opened my Google Sheets application on my phone, and the first thing we're going to do is selecting the file that I want to remove the view only. And for example, I'm going to select this one. So we can click on this three dots button on the file. Then there will be some options for us, and we can click on manage access right here. Okay, and this is my setting, and as you can see guys, that anyone on the internet with the link can view this file. So I'm going to change the setting. Just click on this option, then you can click on anyone with the link, then just click on restricted. Okay, and wait guys. Okay, and now the permission has been updated, and as you can see that only people added can open with the link. Alright guys, that's how we can remove view only in Google Sheets mobile. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.